Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by stopping iPhone automatic adjustments. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, turn off Auto Brightness. Once done, make sure your device is on the latest iOS so options behave predictably. If you use a case or screen protector, remove it briefly to confirm sensor access. This first action prevents system-driven dimming and is the foundation for manual control. Now that auto adjust is off, you're ready to lock brightness at your chosen level and check related settings. Set your preferred brightness using Control Center or Settings, Display and Brightness. Aim for a level comfortable in typical lighting. Next, disable True Tone and Night Shift if you want constant color and intensity, because they change display automatically. Make sure Low Power Mode is off. It reduces brightness automatically to save battery. Also review background app refresh and location services for apps that adjust screen behavior. Once these are configured, your brightness should remain stable under normal use. Finish by restarting the iPhone to apply changes. Test brightness indoors and outdoors to confirm stability. If problems persist, reset settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset. This keeps data but restores system preferences. Make sure to back up first if you prefer. Troubleshooting tip. If brightness still jumps, a failing ambient light sensor or software bug may be the cause. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. They can run diagnostics and replace the sensor if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.